Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce you to a heritage and tourism map for Northern Alberta. It's called History Check. Don't let the name fool you, it's got a lot more in it than that. So the first thing that's going to happen when you load the app is it will show you under the Near Me location. So you're the little green guy. That works the same as any other location services. It'll follow you around as you go, and it only works under Near Me. So the first thing it does is show you some of the sites around you. And if I go that way, whoops, there's a dog kennel. So I'm kind of in a remote location. There's not a lot there, and we're always adding content. So then I'm going to squish it down, and I'm going to see the nearest community. And I'll get back to that in a second, because if I really squish it down, I have all sorts of communities in Northern Alberta to explore. And I can still see my little green head right there, so I'm going to go back to that. And I'm going to pick this one, which is Smith. From this point, you can choose any of the categories, or you can choose all. And it shows you different things within the community: the grocery store, the liquor store, little community history, gas station, picnic table, and the smaller you go, the more you see. And again, that's where I am in relation to Smith. So each one of those icons opens a site, depending on what it is, and every site's set up the same. It doesn't matter whether it's a historical story or actually a business service, annual event, whatever. When I touch the photograph, I then have a gallery of 3. I can do the see more, and so it tells me more about that spot, but I can also dial the phone number, send an email, or visit a website or Facebook link. Now if I go to for more information, again, there's only a Facebook page for this place, but we could be putting in websites, links to other DMOs, all sorts of stuff. If it's history, this is our reference page. Where did we come up with the information to support our historical story? The other cool thing about this is I can search it. And I'm actually going to do a little bit of history here. I don't know how many of you have heard about Wap May. He was a bush pilot, and I'm going to search. So I have a list of the different sites that we've added for Wap May, and I can also do that and immediately see more of them. Let's open this one. So again, we have one photograph for this place. But if I do the see more, and this is one of the very cool parts about this, is we can do just a brief synopsis. I guess this one's not so brief, but hey. And to read the whole story, we can click right into the website that we got it from. So kind of cool. That's a sponsorship thing. People can also add selfies and add comments. And if they touch the little blue arrow, they can share. But if you're on the main screen and you touch the blue arrow, you can access your dashboard, etc., or submit a point of interest. So if we're missing something, please send it in. Well, that's the short version of History Check. Oh, I'm going to do one more thing. Visitor information centers. So there I am again. But if I squish this down, and I'm a person who really likes maps, you can see the visitor information centers in Northern Alberta. So very cool app. Go to www.historycheck.ca to download. It's also on the App Store and Google Play. Now we are in beta, so some of the more newer Android phones are not loading it. We're getting that fixed for summer, and I hope you enjoy. I'm certainly enjoying working on it. Have a great day.